Vedin.
And I am Amphitheatre. Stick around to know about the various happenings this month.
The Acer Exam, a benchmark assessment, was conducted to evaluate students' academic proficiency, critical thinking, and problem solving skills. Designed by experts, it offered a comprehensive measure of knowledge and application with a focus on diverse subjects. It equipped students for academic success and provided valuable insights and fostering a culture of continuous learning.
This week in the Astronomy Club, students of MYP 1 to MYP 3 designed and tested Stomp rockets in the Amphitheatre. A Stomp rocket is a flying toy rocket powered by the release of compressed air. The rocket has a hollow body that fits over a launch tube. The launch tube was a hollow, rigid pipe with an opening into the rocket body and a connection to a pipe that is connected to an air bladder. All these students thoroughly enjoyed engaging in hands-on exploration and experimentation with rocket science.
To empower 8th graders' future success, our school held an informative college advisory session led by Ms. Sujata Raina. She outlined the high school courses most valued for college applications and provided tips for demonstrating leadership and community service. By planting these college readiness seeds early, we hope to inspire students to achieve their higher education dreams.
The Middle School Student Leadership Council Anti-Bullying Squad organized 2 impactful days to address bullying. According to the Anti-Bullying Squad, everyone is different in a certain way, and we all should appreciate that. Therefore, Odd Hats Day was organized where they emphasized valuing individuality. The Anti-Bullying Squad also carried out a Finding Hotspot activity to raise awareness of the locations where bullying occurs. Each student wrote a warning slogan for the bullies, or the bully, or the bullied, or the bystander, which they pasted on the bullying hotspot to serve as a reminder to the bullies of their wrongdoing. By speaking up and spreading kindness, they highlighted the importance of a safe, compassionate school community.
On 7th February 2024, students of MYP 1 embarked on a memorable visit to NGO Sugam to celebrate Basant Panchami. Upon arrival, they were warmly greeted by their peers at Sugam, setting a tone of friendliness and mutual respect. A significant portion of the visit was spent in quality engagement where the MYP 1 students and children at Sugam bonded over interactive sessions. They shared snacks, enjoyed playing Antakshari and sang songs together, creating a joyful and inclusive atmosphere. Another highlight was the assembly, where both the sets of students participated in cultural activities celebrating Basant Panchami. The memories and learning from the visit are sure to leave a lasting impact on the students, shaping their outlook towards social responsibility and cultural appreciation.
Middle school parents joined us for a cozy cup of coffee and engaging conversations on 9th February in the late afternoon. This informal gathering was designed for parents to discuss various aspects of a young learner's school journey. It strengthened the partnership between parents and school, fostering a positive and supportive environment for the overall well-being and success of our students.
Dr. Rakshit Tandon recently conducted a cyber safety and security session for middle school students on 7th February 2024, enlightening parents and students about the importance of digital safety. The session covered topics like regulating screen time, understanding digital footprints, practicing good data hygiene, and identifying online scams. Emphasizing responsible online behavior, the session aimed to equip participants with the knowledge to navigate the digital world safely and enjoy a secure online experience.
December marked the completion of the skiing journey at Almaty, with all students successfully completing the basic snow skiing course and showcasing commendable skiing skills. Despite a closely contested race, Savar Sood stood out as the best skier for his impeccable technique, consistent performance, and impressive racing skills. Led by PepTurf, the Kazakhstan Skiing Initiative delivered exceptional experiences, ensuring top-notch accommodations, gear, and dining. Savar's achievement underscores the success of this venture, generating excitement for future trips.
Guni Aneja, a student in MYP2, joyfully announced the success of a bake sale held on 12 February 2024, which raised over 49,000 rupees. The funds garnered will be allocated towards procuring stationery and material for charity, enabling them to extend support to a worthy cause. Guni is pleased that her endeavors would bring about a positive change for those requiring assistance, expressing gratitude for the collective support received. Your generosity and hard work is appreciated.
A proud moment for Pathwaysians as Riddhi Khanna from MYP 3 secured second position in the Tennis Premier League Gurgaon Junior Championship. Competing fiercely in the under 14 girls category, Riddhi displayed incredible skill and determination throughout this tournament. Let's shower her with applause and encouragement for this well-deserved victory. Keep shining, Riddhi.
On February 14th, our bright MYP 2 and 3 students, Lavani, Kisha, Karina, Vaishnavi, Prisha, Esaz, Samara, Vrithi, turned a regular school morning into a burst of creativity and compassion. Their crocheted roses sale wasn't just about threads and patterns. It was a stitch of kindness weaving support for Bal Raksha Bharat. The initiative was a blooming success, raising a generous amount for the noble cause. A huge shout out to everyone who contributed. Let's celebrate the impact our students can make. They are not just learning but leading with hearts full of hope.
On 22nd February 2024, the students at middle school participated in Abhivakti, the third edition of the Inter-House Dance Competition. Nearly 55 students took to the stage to show their skills, expression and style. From mesmerizing solos to heart-touching duets to energetic group numbers, the performers delivered soulful performances in all. There were a range of genres from hip-hop to Kathak, Bharatanatyam to contemporary dance. The stage was lit up with color and vitality. At the end, Firehouse took the laurel of the overall best house.
St. George's Grammar School in South Africa hosted the 2024 History Lab series, a 90-minute Zoom session on February 22nd. 6 MYP3 students had the unique opportunity to explore global historic leaders' impacts. It was a captivating experience, fostering empathy and gratitude towards past and present leaders for shaping our world.
Pathways World School has launched the second season of The Voice, a solo vocal music competition that included participation from the senior school as well, spanning MYP 1 to MYP 4 and DP 1. Parents were cordially invited to witness the event held on 23rd February. The panel of judges comprised Mr. Keith Sterrett, HOD of Performing Arts, Pathways School, Gurgaon, and Mr. Geoffrey Williams, HOD of Music, Pathways World School, Gurgaon. The performances were described as thrilling by the judges, with each participant doing their best to showcase their talent. At the end of the event, the top 3 winners were announced. First position was bagged by Niharika Menon, second position secured by Kiana Khante, followed by Sakshi Didani securing the third position. The school director presented them with their well-deserved trophies. Additionally, all 20 participants were awarded certificates of participation. The event was deemed a grand success yet again.
Together, Tanush Lat, Mishika Jain, Vanya Chadda and Anshuman Nagpal led an interactive workshop on public speaking for MYP 1 and 2. The program featured many fun activities and concentrated on useful methods for enhancing public speaking. The session also talked about the importance of public speaking. The program had a big impact since the students learned how to express their ideas clearly and acquired confidence. Through this valuable opportunity, the students gained the ability to articulate themselves clearly and gracefully, giving them the tools necessary for future success in both academic and personal lives.
Celebrating camaraderie and sportsmanship, the friendly football match between the students and the teachers took place on 26th February. With cheers and laughter, both teams, the students and the teachers, showcased their skills, fostering bonds beyond the classroom. Kudos to the teachers for their win and to all participants for exemplifying teamwork and spirit. Until the next match, let's continue to unite through the joy of sports.
Students of middle school had an unforgettable showcase of their learning at Middle School Academy Fest. Engaged in a day filled with knowledge, fun, camaraderie, on 29th February, they explored exciting competitions, captivating quizzes, and thought-provoking challenges designed to ignite their passion for learning. Students unleashed their potential, showcased their talents, and celebrated the joy of intellectual exploration. It was an extraordinary opportunity to shine for our middle schoolers. As we conclude this February edition of our newsletter, let us carry forward the momentum of progress and enthusiasm into the coming months.
Stay tuned for more exciting updates and achievements from our middle school community. Thank you.